tell you about one of the best times I ever had with my horse. You know what we were doing? Nothing. I went out and it had rained some, and it looks like it was going to rain some more. And the footing was real slick. Wasn't a good day to go out for a ride, and it was starting to rain again, and so he had a windbreaker on him. There wasn't a lot of shelter in that paddock, so I had a windbreaker on him, a rain sheet, you know. So I had my hat and I had my slicker, and we just stood there in the rain together for a couple hours. Didn't talk much, didn't do anything. We just stood with our butts to the wind and hunkered down and stood in the rain. And you know what? It doesn't get any better than that. Standing next to me, there was a time when I could feel he put his head on my shoulder for a few seconds, and then stood up again. And I think maybe he took a nap, leaning against my shoulder. You know, one of those catch a few quick winks. So what I learned was doing nothing can be one of the best things to do. I took a lot of opportunities to do nothing with my horse. To just sit, eat grass, hang out, lay in the sun. How does it affect your relationship with your horse if the only time he ever sees you is when you're demanding something from him? I don't think that's a good idea. I think it's a real good idea to just spend time being together, not doing together. Just being together, doing nothing. Just doing nothing sometimes does a lot.